You're looking for the Helium 10 Black Friday coupon code promo sale deal? Well, I've got amazing news for you. They actually have the biggest coupon code discount that they've ever had, and they are also doubling the amount of the regular exclusive coupon and doubling the time that you get for the coupon this year on Black Friday. Stick till the end of the video and I'm going to show you how you can maximize the discount for this Black Friday promotional code coupon. So whether you're able to grab the biggest coupon code deal they've ever had, or if you miss it, I'm still going to show you a way to be able to get a really good long-term discount on Helium 10 with the Black Friday deal. This is the only Helium 10 review and product dashboard demo tutorial that you are going to need. Hi, I am Daniel, the Passive Cash Stacker, and today I'm going to show you all the reasons why Helium 10 is a winning product if you're doing anything with Amazon FBA or if you're doing anything with Amazon KDP Publishing. Stick till the end to be able to go ahead and get that coupon so you can get the massive savings. Or you can go down into the description and find the key moment that says Helium 10 promo discount coupon. You'll click that and it'll show you exactly how to go ahead and get the savings. Let's go ahead. So this is for anyone who wants to find winning Amazon FBA products, find winning niches for Amazon KDP, track competitor niches and products, track your organic and paid keyword product rankings for KDP and Amazon FBA. That's right. You can track all of your keywords that you are ranking for so that you can boost them, hit them with your ads, or create organic content to be able to drive traffic to those keywords. Also, you're able to save thousands of dollars by stealing your winning paid keywords from your competitors. So you find out what they are paying for, what's winning and getting sales for them, and you can target those and know exactly how much it's going to cost to rank on the first page in the first spot to be able to get those sales from your competitors. This is how to steal your competitors' keywords, organic and paid, with organic keyword research done the right way. So I'm now going to show you something super sneaky. Now, this here, I'm getting ready to redo one of my original bestsellers that I had on my YouTube ranking course book. And for me, I'm going to be reworking it, and then I'm going to start running the paid ads and targeting on the keywords. So right here, this is my main competitor right here. And so you see here that he has the sponsored ads, and then he has his organic ranking. He's ranking number 2 organic for YouTube book right now. But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get in here and we're going to find out exactly what keywords he is ranking for, what he is using, all the little tips and secrets that he is snatching to be able to achieve this. And you can run ads for the exact same keywords, know exactly what you need to bid to be number 1, so you can leapfrog in front of your competitors and start yanking those sales. Because they say that when you are the first or second result on Amazon, you're probably going to be getting anywhere from 40 to 60% of the clicks when people are looking for your specific keyword. Click into the book itself, and then you're going to go ahead and scroll to the bottom of the product description, and you will go ahead and see the ASIN down here. So you'll see the ASIN here for the digital products, and you can also use the ISBN if it is a print book. So we'll go ahead and take this ASIN, and then you can go ahead and go back to the print book, and you can go ahead and grab the ISBN number. So you can go ahead and grab the ISBN number right there, and those both work for our secret. So we are going to be going into Helium 10. You can actually sign up and you can get discounted access. Let's just go ahead and we'll dive into our tools. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on Keyword Research Cerebro. This is the money maker right here. This is literally going to let you snatch all of the money that they have paid for these ads and to do research on ads to find out what works. We're going to be able to save that money and know exactly what we need to advertise on or what to target. So we're going to go ahead and put our ISBN and our ASIN for their print and their digital book. And then we're going to just go get keywords. It's quick to grab that data. And so we're going to come up here and that they are actually ranking for 9,014 keywords. So they rank for 8,320 keywords organically. And then they rank for 2,378 keywords paid. This is a gold mine. Now, I have the platinum plan. I do not have the diamond, so it doesn't show these. So you can actually customize these to remove them and get them out of the way. So we can go ahead and remove the keyword sales. We can go ahead and remove the ABA. And we can go ahead and remove the ABA total. So we have those removed. And also, if there are data sets that you want to go ahead and have a little bit closer, you can actually move them where you want. So we have the search volume, monthly search volume. I like to see the competing products right next to that. So you can actually bring your competing products right over here. and then you can see the CPC bid, like what are bidding to be able to rank for this particular keyword. So you can come and you can actually see the specific keyword. Let me go ahead and move my face so we can see a little bit better here. But you can actually see the specific keyword that they are using, what the search volume is, and how many competing products are out there for this particular keyword. Now, once we have our list, we can actually go up for the organic as well as the sponsored rank. So we can come up here to the filters, and right here where it says match type, you can go ahead and click sponsored and apply filters. And this is going to go ahead and show you all of the keywords that they are running. And then we can go ahead and search for some different things that stand out to us. You actually sort by the Cerebral IQ score, which is going to average out the search volume and the amount of competing products. The higher the number, the better. So we can quickly come here and we can go ahead and search by the search volume if we want. So we can actually find out what the highest search volume is. So we got YouTube, Rich Dad Poor Dad, How to Win Friends with People. So they're actually targeting specific books for this. And that for these particular books, they're actually bidding and they are ranking #1 on their sponsored rank for these high-paying books. So people are coming out here and they're looking for Rich Dad Poor Dad, How to Win Friend Influence People, Think and Grow Rich, and they're actually ranking #1 for these. And it shows you exactly what you need to pay to be able to go ahead and rank for those. And so for these particular keyword terms, to rank #1 for these, 50 or 60 cents, and you can rank #1, which is pretty awesome.
Make sure you click the link down below in the description to get the best pricing for this plan.
So if we wanted to go ahead and find ones that had high search volume but low competing products, we can go ahead and sort by the Cerebro score. Remember, the higher, the better. And so we can go ahead and see the high Cerebro score here, and we can go down and we can see that they are actually targeting specific books for their target market. They've got high search volume, competing products, almost no other competing products because they are specifically targeting the specific books. Now, right here, we see that they're also targeting a very specific keyword here that other books are also going for. So they also have this in their title, YouTube Wealth Tactics, My Journey as a Successful Creator. And if you look, it's got 250 searches, but there's only one competing product there. It allows you to find out exactly what they are targeting, what is converting for them, and it shows you exactly what you're going to need to pay to be able to be ranked for that. 50 cents, 68 cents, 56 cents. So this is a gold mine. Now, you have the ability to export this entire list if you wanted to go ahead and target it in a very general way, or if you're targeting a very specific keyword phrase, then you could also go up to the filters, and right here where it says phrase containing. So if my book is about YouTube, make sure that it has YouTube in the title. So we can go ahead and apply the filters, and then we can go ahead and look, and we see here that there are 94 extremely targeted keywords that they are going after. 94 keywords that they are going after. You can see that they're ranked for #1 or #2 for every single one of these keywords. This is a gold mine. So you can export this list up here on the right-hand corner. You can export this list and you can upload it right to Amazon ads, and you can run ads on these, and it tells you specifically what you need. #1 are on the first page, which is an instant gold mine. Get it in there, get it running, and start getting your sales. And you're also automatically able to send review requests for each sale of your products that you have listed on Amazon FBA. So you no longer have to automate this in the background, have another program or anything like this. If you are selling on Amazon FBA, you can get thousands of reviews automatically as you send requests. These are going to be the tools whenever you log in. These are going to be the tools that we have. Now, remember, stay till the end. I will actually have an exclusive coupon for you so you can save your plan. You're getting the platinum, but let's go ahead and check this out. So there are the product research tab for Black Box. Now this one here, we already did a whole review video on this, on how to find winning products within 1 minute. And this gives you the ability to be able to find products that are making $10,000 a month, $30,000 a month, $50,000 a month with low competition, low reviews, and you can instantly get in there and get those FBA products for yourself and upgrade them or change them a little bit so that you can start getting a corner of that market where there's not a lot of competition. It instantly finds those products for you so you can get a few winning products or hundreds of winning products on your side for the FBA business. Now, in the keyword tracker, you have the ability to come in and put your ASINs to be able to find what you are ranking for. So it will actually show you your organic ranking. You can see how many spots have gone up, how many spots have gone down, if you've had any that have gone down. Like this one here has gone down 29 points, but you can see here, this one's gone up 7 points, 6 points, 1 point, and you can see all of the ones that you are ranking on the first page so that you can concentrate on those and either send paid traffic to it or make organic content like on YouTube or short videos on TikTok so that you could go ahead and send traffic and increase those rankings so that you can get more sales inside of Amazon. So you're able to go ahead and put all the keywords that you want to track for your particular product, and it'll actually show you all the rankings. So you see here, all of these are ranking on the first page, and I know what to go ahead and concentrate on. So it'll show you how many sales that you've gotten for these particular keywords, what you're ranking for sponsored rank if you're actually paying for that particular keyword, and how many organic rankings you have and where they are, if they're going up or down. It's really awesome. Now with Helium 10, you also have the ability to go ahead and do the follow-up. So with the follow-up, you're able to get in there, and every time that you get a sale, you can actually choose how many days you want to respond. So 5 days, 6 days, 7 days, 8 days, whatever. So depending on what kind of product you have and how people use your product, you can choose how many days you want once the sale is triggered. And just as long as it hasn't been returned or refunded, you can actually send them a request automatically. So you can just automatically get reviews on your products, and you no longer have to go into the Amazon dashboard and manually request every single sale. Just think about it. If you're getting hundreds or thousands of sales, you never have to worry about asking for reviews again, and you get to save all of that time. You also get access to the Helium 10 extension, where it allows you to do product research right inside of the Amazon marketplace and the Walmart marketplace. So you can get in there and find competitors, see sales trends, see if things are actually going to be a good product for you to promote or for you to target as a competitor. Now with this extension, you can see it will have a breakdown of the overall page, how many products are ranked on the first page, what the average search volume for your keyword is. You're able to analyze the products, find the top, load all the ASINs if you want to do any other kind of research with it. Now, on top of each listing, you will see where the product is coming from, what country. So right here, this is coming from China. It will show you what the rankings are. So in pet supplies, it's ranked number 32. In dog beds, it's ranked number 1. It'll show you how many variations this product has, how many sellers are selling it on Amazon FBA. So what your competition is. So like this one here has 4 competitors. This one here has 2 competitors. So this one might be a better one to get into. And then you can go ahead and click the 30-day revenue stats, and it will go ahead and show you how much it's sold. So this one here hasn't sold anything. But right here, this one here has sold $87,000 in the last 30 days, and they've sold 5,000 units. So you can see which one is a winning product. You can very easily get an access of what the market is looking, what the rankings are looking like, and what your competition is looking like, all built in right into the dashboard with Helium 10 as well. It gives you the ability to track all your keywords. It gives you the automatic follow-up. It lets you use all of the features. Now, like I said, I do have an exclusive discount for you. So if you actually come to the link, and right here, you can see the regular pricing on that is $99, but you will be able to get a discount. But when you click the Black Friday link down below, you're going to be brought to this page here. Now, if you come and it's not Black Friday, you're still going to be able to get a massive, really good discount, and it's going to be for half of the year. But if you come during the Black Friday special, you're going to be able to go ahead and get it for double the % off and for double the time. So right here, we have the regular exclusive discount here for you. But if you come starting tomorrow, right now, if you're watching the video, it's probably already tomorrow. But if you come starting tomorrow, you're going to get double that discount locked in for double that time. So it is going to be a double discount for. So make sure you click the link below in the description to be able to claim this discount and be able to take advantage of all the tools and help that Helium 10 provides. They also have bonus training courses inside when you're taking advantage of this Black Friday deal. So not only do you get all the tools, you get all the automations, and you get bonus courses so that you are not left behind and you know exactly what you need to do to be successful with Helium 10 and their Black Friday discount. Once the discount is live, go ahead and scroll down on the page. This is where the discount is going to populate with the double percentage and double time. Make sure you claim this discount. Sign up today. Don't let the Black Friday deal pass you by because it only comes around once a year. It's time to get saving on Helium 10 Black Friday. Like I said, the best place to start is the Platinum plan because it gives you the tracking, gives you the ability to use all of the features, and you can upgrade in the future if you need more when you start selling more, either books on Amazon KDP or selling on Amazon FBA. So hopefully this has been helpful. If it has, smack that thumbs up and leave a comment down below, helpful or it helped you making that decision. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know here on the Passive Cash Stacker. Thanks for watching this Helium 10 review. Thanks for watching.